At times, you may need to highlight a row or a cell based on any condition. For example, if the stock of any item is less than particular quantity, then that item should be highlighted. This can be done with the help of conditional formatting. Select the range on which you want to apply conditional formatting. Then click on Format and then click on Conditional Formatting. Conditional formatting rule window will be displayed. From here, you can apply the ready-to-use rules. Like if the cell is blank, or if there is any specific text in the cell, or if specific text does not exist, or the cell should be highlighted if the value is more than or less than particular value, or the date is more or less than a particular date. Whatever rule you want, select from here. Take an example. If the text of the cell is in progress, for this over here select text is exactly and then enter in progress over here. And from here formatting pattern is to be selected. Like the cell should be highlighted, the text should be bold, italic. Select the pattern of your choice from here. The highlighting color can be selected from here. And by clicking on Done, the conditional formatting rule will be applied. Now the cell in which in progress is written will be highlighted. You can apply multiple conditional formatting rule on the same range. Like if in progress is mentioned, then it should be highlighted in red, and if complete is mentioned, it should be highlighted in green. For this you have to follow same steps, but you have to apply two formatting rules on the same range. You can see one rule is already applied on this range, and we will apply the second rule. In addition to ready-to-use conditional formatting rules, you can also customize rule as per your requirement using custom formula. Custom formula has been covered in our advanced course.